So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to stitch or how to make a stitch video on TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now to stitch a video, you should have to tap on share icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it, then scroll, then you will see the option of stitch. So tap on it, then wait for a second, even for a minute as well. Now tap on try it, then you can adjust it, then tap on next, then you can create your own video. Tap on right icon. Your video must be 3 seconds, 3 seconds of your stitch and 3 seconds of your recordings. So tap on right icon, then see, then tap on next, then you can simply post or even save on your draft. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.